初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I like this price.
I like this price.
我喜欢这个价格。
I like this price.
I like this price.
I need a better deal.
I need a better deal.
我需要更好的交易。
I need a better deal.
I need a better deal.
I'm checking the quality.
I'm checking the quality.
我在检查质量。
I'm checking the quality.
I'm checking the quality.
I need another size.
I need another size.
我需要另一个尺寸。
I need another size.
I need another size.
I like this color.
I like this color.
我喜欢这个颜色。
I like this color.
I like this color.
I want to see more.
I want to see more.
我想看更多。
I want to see more.
I want to see more.
I'm looking for options.
I'm looking for options.
我在寻找选择。
I'm looking for options.
I'm looking for options.
I need something cheaper.
I need something cheaper.
我需要更便宜的东西。
I need something cheaper.
I need something cheaper.
I like this design.
I like this design.
我喜欢这个设计。
I like this design.
I like this design.
I want to try it.
I want to try it.
我想试试看。
I want to try it.
I want to try it.
I'm thinking about it.
I'm thinking about it.
我正在考虑。
I'm thinking about it.
I'm thinking about it.
I need a smaller one.
I need a smaller one.
我需要一个更小的。
I need a smaller one.
I need a smaller one.
I like the simple look.
I like the simple look.
我喜欢简约的外观。
I like the simple look.
I like the simple look.
I want to compare prices.
I want to compare prices.
我想比较价格。
I want to compare prices.
I want to compare prices.
I'm checking the material.
I'm checking the material.
我在检查材质。
I'm checking the material.
I'm checking the material.
I need something lighter.
I need something lighter.
我需要更轻的东西。
I need something lighter.
I need something lighter.
I like this style.
I like this style.
我喜欢这个风格。
I like this style.
I like this style.
I want a similar one.
I want a similar one.
我想要一个类似的。
I want a similar one.
I want a similar one.
I'm choosing between these.
I'm choosing between these.
我在这些之间选择。
I'm choosing between these.
I'm choosing between these.
I need a better fit.
I need a better fit.
我需要更合身的。
I need a better fit.
I need a better fit.
I like the soft touch.
I like the soft touch.
我喜欢柔软的触感。
I like the soft touch.
I like the soft touch.
I want to save money.
I want to save money.
我想省钱。
I want to save money.
I want to save money.
I'm checking for discounts.
I'm checking for discounts.
我在查看折扣。
I'm checking for discounts.
I'm checking for discounts.
I need something stronger.
I need something stronger.
我需要更坚固的东西。
I need something stronger.
I need something stronger.
I like the classic look.
I like the classic look.
我喜欢经典的外观。
I like the classic look.
I like the classic look.
I want to return this.
I want to return this.
我想退货。
I want to return this.
I want to return this.
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
我还不确定。
I'm not sure yet.
I'm not sure yet.
I need a different color.
I need a different color.
我需要不同的颜色。
I need a different color.
I need a different color.
I like this version.
I like this version.
我喜欢这个版本。
I like this version.
I like this version.
I want the new model.
I want the new model.
我想要新款。
I want the new model.
I want the new model.
I'm checking other stores.
I'm checking other stores.
我在查看其他商店。
I'm checking other stores.
I'm checking other stores.
I need more details.
I need more details.
我需要更多细节。
I need more details.
I need more details.
I like the clean style.
I like the clean style.
我喜欢简洁的风格。
I like the clean style.
I like the clean style.
I want to think more.
I want to think more.
我想再考虑一下。
I want to think more.
I want to think more.
I'm looking for value.
I'm looking for value.
我在寻找性价比。
I'm looking for value.
I'm looking for value.
I need a safer option.
I need a safer option.
我需要更安全的选择。
I need a safer option.
I need a safer option.
I like the smaller version.
I like the smaller version.
我喜欢较小的版本。
I like the smaller version.
I like the smaller version.
I want a simple one.
I want a simple one.
我想要一个简单的。
I want a simple one.
I want a simple one.
I'm checking the features.
I'm checking the features.
我在检查功能。
I'm checking the features.
I'm checking the features.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。